Hey, what's up, y'all? We experiencing some showers and thunderstorms right now. You know, showers and thunderstorms, y'all. Okay. Yep. Raining hard today, day after Independence Day. You know. So, doing the show yesterday, filming fireworks and stuff. You know. Uh huh. All right. Alrighty. Well, wow. So it's gonna be a rainy day today. You know. Some people don't like driving in the rain. Some people drive in the rain because they have to. You know. Some people don't drive in the rain for fun. You know. Not for fun. You know. All right. Well, after filming the fireworks yesterday and stuff like that on the con and stuff like that, you know, gotta do it for memories. Get some likes and subscribers and stuff like that on YouTube and stuff like that. You know, I have to do it like that though. You know, okay, yeah. You know? So, that's how we do it, okay? Alrighty? That's how we do it, you know? Raining hard as a rock, you know? Yep. Yep, so like I say, on my gaming channel, though, you know, y'all should know what I mean, though, on my gaming channel, you know? Okay? Alright, so that's all I got to say for right now. Alright? Alright, bye-bye, y'all.